This is my real review of the Serger, the S0230, and it is a making the cut serger. It's a super herky, very strong and reliable serger. I've only had it a few months, or let's say I've only learned to use it for the last few months. You should know that the instruction booklet does not come with it. So I went online, that's the only place you can find it. And I went online and printed it out. It's about 30 pages. And you really want the instruction book. You need to know how to thread it and when to thread each one. I'll show you how everything is color-coded. From the very beginning, from where the thread starts, all the way through, it's color-coded so that you know exactly how to thread it. But it's the order in which you thread it that's important. I'm just beginning to actually make things with it, and I'm finding that it's really fun and really exciting because you can do such professional sewing with it. And I'll show you the color coding here. But what I really want to say is that it's so much fun. Once you get the hang of it and you get it really working well, and you know where the tension should be on each of the threads, and you know how to use each of the stitches, it's really a kick. You can do super decorative, I hate that word, super. You can do very decorative bindings, like on blankets or quilts or clothing. You can work with stretchy fabric, heavy duty fabric. It's really versatile. So I highly recommend it, and it is not for the faint of heart. So if you don't know anything about a serger and you think you want one, make sure you research this well. And I think every serger is pretty complex, just the nature of them, but it's really fun. So it kind of takes your sewing to a new level. So I highly recommend trying it out. It's a good idea. Okay, I hope this helps. Here's a view of the threading instructions, and you can see that everything's color-coded. There's the yellow, the red, and green and blue, which are the needles, which are not in that little thing. They're separately instructed. They're a lot easier than the others, than the looper threading. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Then there on the left, you'll see, well, here's a different, and it focuses, there's the two needles, and that's the pressure control for the foot and the distance of the edge of the fabric from the needle. I know it seems really loud, but I wanted to have you hear it. It is kind of loud, but I've got my phone right up close to it too. There you can see the stitches, how even and wonderful. This is the instruction booklet. It's got everything you need to know in here. It's very well done, very concisely explained. And this is the quick start, so you can thread things quickly. And then there's a little packet of tools that comes with it, which is that, and there's tweezers that have a little opening control on them, which is really handy when you're trying to grab threads. So it keeps it from opening too far. And, which of course I'll probably lose within seconds, but there's a screwdriver, there's an Allen wrench, teeny little Allen wrench, and the most important thing is this little doohickey, which I'm going to show you. Is this is for just using two threads, and you attach it to one of the loopers,